So you might be in a situation where you're running into this type of problem where it's telling you that your PC ran into an issue and basically a critical process died eventually. Now, there's a couple of main ways to go and fix this problem. Number one, the main way to go and do it is by going through and restarting your computer. So go ahead, find the power button associated with your computer. If it's a PC, laptop, whatever you have, hold down your particular power button and wait till your system completely restarts. Then go through, power it back on, and that most of the time will end up fixing this problem. A lot of the times, if you run into this type of issue, it can be simply just restarting your computer. That's all you need to do. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation. Now, if that's not working, what I'd recommend doing, if it does allow you to restart and get back into the system, a big thing you might want to try doing is to go through and make your way over into your settings application. So let's say every 10 minutes, it just goes through and kind of messes up there. What I recommend doing is making your way over into your settings application. So find your settings portion, find settings up here, find the Windows Update panel. So wherever the Windows Update panel is right here, and go ahead and see if there is an update available for your particular PC. If there is, that could very well be the problem here. Maybe you're on a very outdated version of the system. So you might want to go and see if that ends up fixing the problem as well. If that doesn't work, you might want to take a close look at your computer and make sure there's not a hardware problem going on with it, making sure that the SSD and the hard drive, the solid state drive isn't messed up, none of the RAM is messed up, none of the system files are messed up. Because if they are, you might have to go through and you might actually have to restart and basically reset your Windows 11 PC. That doesn't end up working right. So that's basically the main way to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.